welcome back. By the way, it's February 16th, 2020 at approximately 10:45 p.m. I hope everyone had a good Valentine's Day. Sorry I haven't been uploading a lot lately. My wife has been sick and it's been cold outside, so I hadn't really been wanting to get out here. But I'm going to try to do a little bit of wiring removal and also get an update on what I sold this last week. I sold 2 DVDs. One was a Biodome for $7 plus shipping and handling. That was opened. And the other one was Office Space, I think Grandma's Boy, and another movie all in one for $9.69 plus free shipping and handling. So it wasn't much this week, but I keep on trying to add to it. I don't know how much is my bank account at the moment, but the next video I'll update you on that as well. That didn't really go to plan. Not sure how to get some of that stuff out without researching it first, so I'll come back to that. But in the meantime, I did clean my shop up a little bit and rearrange some stuff. If you like to see, this is walking through my front door. You can see the Broncos in the middle and the Heelys in the back there. I figured if I turned it this way, I may have a little bit more room, which I'm not sure because I need to bring the Camaro in here soon. There's my workbench and eBay stuff. And that is my shelf of parts and other stuff that needs to be thrown away. But there's the Healy as it sits now. I'm really wanting to fix it up here pretty soon. While I'm over here, might as well show you what the inside looks like. It's been stripped down and almost everything has been taken off of it. But I do have the majority of the parts and most of the interior parts as well. But it needs a lot of work. Just wishing that there was somebody local or close by that could use some help with anything to help me finish body work and something on one of these. But as far as it goes, I'll be continuing on this for a while. Also, I was thinking that if I first 50 subscribers, I'll do a drawing for a keychain that I made, and I'll send you one of your choosing. These are the ones that I made so far. And I did make a better one of these, and I'll make one of those so you can see what it looks like. I may do a video on how to make one if anybody's interested. But as for tonight, I'm getting pretty cold again, and I'm just tired, so I'll see you again tomorrow. Might try to do a little bit more paint removal on that quarter panel since I got some new sanding discs, and we'll see what we can find. Thank you, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Good night.